Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode with this cool amazing one right here in my hand, and basically what this is a portable blender that you can use at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling. However you guys decide to use it, that's up to you guys, but this is what the product looks like right here. If you guys take a look on the side right here, they provide you guys information that's on the product right here. So they mentioned the maximum load on here is 300 milliliters of liquid. In terms of charging product, they mentioned how you guys can use a wall charger or you can use a power bank to recharge it. That way it actually makes it compact and easy for you guys to charge anywhere as you want to. In terms of charging time, they mentioned it takes around 3 hours to fully charge it up. And each time you guys click on the button, it should last you guys around 1 minute and 30 seconds and it turns off by itself. But once the product itself is fully charged, it should give you guys around 10 to 12 usage, and each usage, like I mentioned, gives you guys 1 minute and 30 seconds. And for the blade that's inside right here is a 6 blade, so definitely the blender should be really powerful, but we'll test it out in a second as well. But that's basically everything that's on the product right here. Let's open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so first thing you see inside right here, they do provide guys a ice cube maker, and they're all really small ice cube, which is pretty cool. So all you guys need to do is just fill water on top right here and just let it freeze. Once it's finished freezing, you guys can take all the little ice cube inside right here and just throw it inside the actual device and start using it. Next up right here, they provide guys the cable, which is USB to USB-C, which is definitely super nice as well, so you definitely get a faster charging speed than using a micro USB cable. And then right here we have the blender. So inside the blender, you can see there's a bunch of stuff as well. So let's open up to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see this is what the blender looks like. So right here you can see they have an indicator light to show you guys when the product itself is on and off. And right here is the button to activate it. But right here you can see we have the output right here to plug in the cable to charge it up. And right here they do provide guys a wrist strap that you can use to put onto your wrist if you guys want to. It is a little bit stretchy, which is pretty nice as well. And for this product they do have a lid that you can move. So just like this. And the cool thing about this lid is the fact that they have 2 different layers. So this layer right here is the filter, but if you open up this part here, you guys can see that's a little cover right there. And they have the rubber ring here as well to prevent it from leaking out. But definitely they do have the filter option right here to filter anything from coming out. And then inside right here, they do have some papers. So on the paper right here, they give you guys a little recipe and instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to maintain it. And inside you can see the blade right here. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that you can actually open up this part here as well. Just like that. And then wash it. And inside right here they do have a rubber ring as well that you guys actually remove and wash. So the way how you guys remove it, you can see right here they do have a little slot for you guys to actually pull it out just like this. You guys want to be careful with the little sharp blades here. You definitely want to take your time, don't hurt yourself because there is some sharp blades. If you guys are worried about hurting yourself, you can definitely get like a chopstick or something to poke it out. Alright, so when you take out the rubber ring, you can see this is basically what it looks like. And when you guys put it on, just be careful as well. Just push back in slowly and watch out for the blade when you guys do it. And when you see the material on here is made out of real glass. And it's also food grade safe as well. And also really careful right here, they do have a magnet here as well. So if it doesn't detect the magnet on here or the lid is not tight enough, it will not turn on. So if I try to turn it on right now, it won't turn on. But once we close the lid, you have to turn it all the way until the arrow matches right here. So right there. So once you guys have it right there, if you guys turn it on, it turns on. And it does have the auto shut off as well, but I pressed the button for now because I don't have anything blending inside. If you guys want some more tips about the product, you can refer to the image right here. And for this product, they actually have in different colors available, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one's best for you guys. But I decided to go for the black one right here. And you see on the bottom right here, they do have the anti-skid material right here, here, and here, to prevent it from moving around when you guys are blending your product inside. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it before I test it out. Alright, so I got one of my cables right here, which is USB-C. I just want to plug it inside right here. So once you plug in the cable, you can see a red indicator right there that pops on. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should turn green. And that's how you guys know when it's fully charged. So that is how you guys charge the product. Now let me put it down on the table and then show you guys how the blender works and blend some stuff in here and see when it actually works. Alright, so we got the blender right here all set up. I'm going to show you guys how powerful it is when we blend water. And then we're going to blend some ice in here to show you guys how powerful the actual product is. So let's start it. Alright, so it turns off by itself after 1 minute and 30 seconds. You guys can see it actually works pretty well. Now let me try again, but this time we're going to put some stuff like ice in it and try it out. Alright, so here are the little ice cube maker that they provide for us. So I'll just add a few of these or maybe all of these into the actual blender and we'll try it out and see how well it works. Alright, so we'll open it up and then we're going to put the ice inside. I really like how this ice maker is flexible. So that way you can actually just push it out really easily. You can see all the little ice cubes coming out really easily. So I might have to add in all of them, but we'll see. Alright, so I think that should be good because you guys don't want to fill too much. You guys want to fill around 2/3 or less. So I'll just keep the remainder right here. Alright, so we got some liquid right here. I'm going to add a little bit of the water. That should be good. Close it back up. Alright, so you see that actually does work. You probably have to shake it here and there to actually keep it blending because it's ice and it's pretty hard. If you guys use it for like apples or oranges or anything softer, you can definitely use those a lot better than using on ice. Eventually when we shave the ice inside right here, it becomes this hard ice and becomes this bigger shape than it was originally, which is small. So you probably need to add some more liquid in here if you guys are just blending ice in here. Close it back up. Try one more time. Alright, so you see the actual product stuff, it does work. And basically once you guys are done using the product, you guys can open the lid on top right here. And then you just pour out whatever is left over. And you guys can open the cap right here and just rinse it using hot water, cold water. And this, you guys are all set to use again next time. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test actual product itself and definitely see that actually does work and it's worked quite well. Super easy to use. All you need to do is just throw in your ice cubes, throw in your fruits, vegetables, whatever you guys want to add in here, that's up to you guys. I do recommend that you guys chop up your products first, like your apples, fruits, or vegetables, and then dump it in here so that way it can actually blend much easier. Because if you guys put the whole entire thing in here, it might be harder for it to fully blend the product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. For this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to blend like smoothie, if you guys want to make juice, if you guys just want to chop up stuff as well, you can definitely do all of that on here. And especially because of the fact that the product is actually use it wireless as well, that's actually really cool. So definitely use it anywhere and you guys don't have to worry about plugging in a cable everywhere you guys go to actually activate it or use it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.